Money is the root of all hope, hustle, of the dream you carry from one border to the next. But for too long, money has been a maze. A line too long, a fee too high, a border too far. We believe money should move like you do, fast, fearless and free. From Lagos to London, Accra to Amsterdam, Nairobi to New York, Soweto to Shanghai, Dakar to Dubai. You're building something bigger than a bank balance. You're building a life, a legacy. And wherever your journey leads, Raenest is there. Your account in the world, your partner in the hustle, your nest in the storm. Your USD, GBP, EUR and NGN accounts. Virtual and physical cards that work worldwide. Instant global transfers at great rates, access to stable coins and the power to invest in global markets. This isn't just banking. This is belonging. This is control. This is freedom.